Salve discipuli. This lesson is all about connectors and gapping. Don't worry if you've never heard the term gapping before, I will explain it in this lesson. All right, so some connector rules. Connectors are coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are the official grammatical term. We can also just call them connectors. They connect two or more sames, meaning two subjects. So it's connecting a subject to a subject, a direct object to a direct object, or a complete clause to a complete clause. Some coordinating conjunctions that we know so far, que means and. This little extra dash in front of it means that it is an enclitic, or it attaches itself onto the end of a word. Et it also means and, but this one just hangs out by itself. Sed means but. All right, some connector English examples. Since this idea, or at least referencing it this way, is new, I figured we should start off in English. All right, so I hear the saxophone and the trombone. And is the connector. This is connecting two direct objects. Those are the two things that we hear. The man writes and prints. These are both, or sorry, paints. These are both verbs, so it's connecting the two verbs. He lost the money yesterday, but she found it today. Two completely different clauses. They could stand on their own, connected by a connector, a coordinating conjunction. My brother and I love to mountain bike. And is the conjunction. Brother, I, those are both subjects. Once upon a time, there were knights and ladies. Okay, these are both complementary subjects, or subject complements, I should say, and they are being connected. Now, what was that gapping? What the idea of gapping is recognizing the items that are not mentioned. For example, I hear the saxophone and the trombone. We didn't say I hear again. The subject and the verb are gapped in this second half. It would be really clunky if we had to say I hear the saxophone and I hear the trombone. The second I hear is gapped. So the man writes and prints. The man is gapped in the second half. This has no gapping at all because they're two complete causes together. My brother and I love to mountain bike. I wouldn't say my brother loves to mountain bike and I love to mountain bike. So the verb and the direct object are gapped. One more. So my sister skates, but my brother swims. Two complete clauses connected by the word but. Nothing is gapped there. Oh, this is actually just going over in more detail the idea of the gap, so you can take some more time and look at it. So last night I ate pizza, salad, and ice cream. You wouldn't say last night I ate pizza, and last night I ate salad, and last night I ate ice cream. All right, find the sames in Latin. So write this sentence down. Que is your connector. Find the sames. So you probably noticed that domina is a subject, dominus is also a subject. These are the two same. So the mistress and the master praised you. All right, again, pause the video, copy down this sentence. You've got your connector here, find the sames. And I'm sure you noticed that equum and canem, those are both direct objects. Those are your sames. So the old man gave me a horse and a dog. Okay, sed is your connector. Find your sames. And you probably saw that there are two subjects. There are two subject complements. What is gapped on this side over here is the verb. The verb's only mentioned once. So we are Romans. Sorry, we are Romans, but you, Greeks. The idea of are is gapped. All right, dominus fundum visitare et inspicere vult. Et is our connector here. What do you think the gaps are? Sorry, what do you think the sames are and the gap? You probably saw that there are two complementary infinitives here. So the master wants to visit and to inspect the farm. So remember, in dealing with coordinating conjunctions and gapping, connectors are coordinating conjunctions. They connect two or more sames. The left out or assumed information is gapped. Vale discipuli.